Hi, boys and girls. This is Miss Hudson. I am going to read your sentences for you. However, the choices that you are given, you're going to have to sound them out. Okay. This is our ER, OR, and AR assignment. Type your first and last name. Now for this assignment, you should have already written it in your book. So you should just be coming and choosing an answer, looking at your paper and seeing what you already wrote in the blank. If not, I'm going to read the sentences for you. Here we go. The first one. I need a blank to eat my food. Please sound out each choice. Remember, OR says or, ER says and AR says are. I need a blank to eat my food. Again, sound out your choices. The dog will not stop. It is the same choices as above. Each question or each fill in the blank has the same choices. Do you enjoy blank like soccer? Again, the choices are the same. Sound them out. The blank smells nice. The lamp is on because it is blank and hard to see. Once you are finished, please hit submit and return to class. Thank you.